Hey guys, on today's video we're going to go through a quick tutorial on how to use this slime tire sealant. Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video and show you guys the slime tire sealant. This is a 16-ounce container, and I just want to show you guys quick. You know, if you're in a pinch, you get a flat tire, you just put this in there, and it's supposed to prevent and repair tires with slightly small leaks. The cap, this black thing right here, you screw it into the tire stem itself, and then this is supposed to take out. So this is the cap right here, and this is usually inside the cap. So you want to use this. This is a tool. You don't want to toss this at all. So basically, you'll put it in your tire stem like so, and then you want to screw it down. And what this does, it removes, it'll flatten the tire. There we go. So what it'll do, it removes this little stem that's inside, so that it'll completely deflate the tire, and then we'll reinstall this with the tool as well. Okay, so now that you've connected your hose to your slime, you can start pushing it in. And then you want to, if you have a car, you want to use this whole 16-ounce bottle. So this is how the little tire sensor looks like. There's a little tab inside, and you just insert in there, and then you can, just unscrew it. And then you want to use this to screw it back into the tire stem. So screw it back in. Okay, this comes off, and you can see, hopefully that, the sensor's back in, or the stem, and now you just fill it up with air. Just fill the tire up to your manufacturer's recommended PSI. Alright, now just put your valve stem cover back on. Alright guys, so it is super sunny, but wanted to give my input on the slime tire repair. So I've had really good luck with it. I'm looking at my my tire pressures right now, and as I mentioned before, the passenger side was always fluctuating. And I mean, now it's held, I filled it up to 32 psi, and it's held it the entire time. So I'm actually pretty surprised. I don't know why there was a slow leak. It could have been because of my camber or whatever my alignment issues that I had. It could also have been I had the carb too low and I was rubbing pretty bad. So that could have been also a factor, but nonetheless, the slime stuff works surprisingly, even on, you know, cars like this. So I made a little compartment in the GTR passenger side footwell. There's a little secret compartment where you have like the toolkit and stuff like that. As most of you guys know, there's not a spare tire or anything like that. So if anything happens, slime is probably my best shot, other than, you know, just having it flat bedded out or towed. So yeah, I mean, I would definitely recommend this. You know, if you're in a pinch or whatever the case may be, I would definitely check it out. Super inexpensive. Hopefully I showed you guys a decent way of doing it. I was kind of confused at first, so I figured, you know, I'll just throw up a video and hopefully it'll help somebody. I definitely recommend slime.
it saved me $500 from having to replace a 20-inch Michelin Pilot Super Sport tire. So, all right, have a good one, and thanks for tuning in. Take care.